Assignments as a lesson type. From your dashboard, go to Courses and into your course. If you're already in the courses, go to the curriculum. From here, we're going to add a new lesson type that will be assignments. Let's click Add Lesson and type in here assignments. Let's save the changes and we're ready to hit the assignment button. So assignments give you a real way to actually monitor the progress of your students. You can even stop them at that point and ask them to resubmit information to you, or videos or images. You can make assignments compulsory, so they need to be completed before they move on through the course. This is a really good way to keep your students at the level you want and control the flow of your students through your course. If you want them to just go straight through, you also have that option as well. So it doesn't need to hold the student up. Let's click Assignments and add a new assignment. The first thing you have is the assignment title, and then you have an assignment description. Let's fill these two things out and we'll explain what they mean in a second. You'll see here we have added a simple questionnaire with questions to be answered. We've also said that this is compulsory, and please submit your video images back to us so you can progress through the course. We have a series of questions that we are asking, and we're asking them to please answer these questions to continue. So this is the standard WYSIWYG editor that you will find in the text lesson as well. We have all of the options inside here to change the size or the formatting. We can add images, links, and we can change the colors as well within here. So you can get the exact style you want for your assignment. Now we move down to assignment type. In this particular case, it's asking questions, so we know that we need a text input. So we're going to click and select text input. But you'll notice on the right hand side we have file upload. So if you've asked for maybe one of the questions to be something like submit your site screenshot and then put in brackets as an image, you would then make sure that you have file upload selected in here as well. Now you'll also notice that you have a maximum file size that they can send. For images is not a problem, 100 megabytes is big. But if we want something a bit bigger, for video for instance, we could change this to 500 or even to 1 gigabyte. Let's leave this on 100 and then move down to the next field. As well as asking a question in text within the text box, you also have the option to upload additional references if any. By dropping a file in here like a PDF, you can supply your students with handout sheets. Just for this example, I'm going to upload a file that I have as a PDF. Let's just click that and click open. This will now load. The last thing we have down here is approve assignments before continuing. Now if this is unchecked, it means your student can submit or even bypass this page and not submit anything and just continue with the course. But if you want to approve or get them to resubmit or reject the assignment that's been sent to you, you can do that by checking approve assignment before continuing. So now we've got this filled out, let's click add. This is now completed and we're ready to look and make sure that it's working within the course. Just notice here that it says approve assignment before continuing. You can go back in here and you can just make sure that that is checked. There we go. You could also set it as compulsory up here as well, but we'll talk about this later. Let's now view this as a student, and then we'll actually test it as a student. Let's go to preview and down to course curriculum. Let's have a look under other media and scroll down to our assignment. So inside here now you can see that we have submit the task for the week, and we have it is an assignment. We have the formatting as we laid it out. We have the download reference file that we included as a PDF, and we also have the box for them to reply on their answer. Also remember, we did check the upload, so they have the ability to upload their assignment here as well. Now down here you have a submit assignment, so when they filled this information out they can click submit assignment. Also notice that the maximum upload size is 100 megabytes, which shows in here. If we'd have changed this to 200, 300 or 400 megabytes, then this would change as well. Notice also that by default the assignments has a comment section. This is a private section for you to communicate directly with your student. Other users on the course, unlike discussions, do not see the comments that are written in here. It is a per user comment base and is private for you and the particular student that you have inside of that course. This is how assignments work inside of Zenler. Now what we will do is log in as an actual student, and I will show you what you see as admin on the back end. Okay, so now I'm logged in as a student. If you want to know how to log in as a student, check out the support docs on testing as a student. So inside here you can see how easy it was to use Zenler. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to copy these questions across and dump them straight into this box. So I'm going to put in here very easy, and here did you find the tutorials? Yes, amazing. And then I'm going to put what would you like to see added? Nothing, it's perfect. Let's just put that. And how helpful is the community? Very helpful. So all positive comments there. Don't expect them all to be positive, of course. So submit your site screenshot. So I'm just going to just upload an image. So I'm just going to put in here I have, and then I'm going to move on to the next phase of this, which is uploading an image into here. So I'm just going to grab a screenshot. Actually, I'm just going to use any old image. So I'm going to click upload your assignment here, and then I'm just going to find one of our test images here from this support document training. And now that is done, I'm going to just click the submit assignment. So here we go. So are you sure you want to submit this assignment? Yes, I do, and the assignment has now gone. So I'm also going to put a comment in here so I can show you both of those. So when will this be approved? Okay, so I can show you how it's working from the admin backend as well. Notice that you can add emojis in here. So we have this ability to add an emoji in here as well. And of course you can also upload or paste a link, and you can paste a video link, and you can upload an image within here as well. So let's just add this as a comment as well, and then it's allowing us to move on to the next lesson. So as we have no lessons after this point, we can't move on, but you can see what we've done. So you can see that it shows what you have actually sent to them. So it's your latest revision was done 1 second ago. So you can see exactly what's going on in the platform. So now let's have a look at what you see as the instructor in the admin dashboard. So your assignment areas can be easily managed under courses. We go to courses, and then you're going to see in assignments you have a little red 1. This shows that one person has submitted an assignment, which is what we just did. So I'm going to click assignments now, and it will open up recent submissions, and you can see the first user, me, has actually submitted this 1 minute ago, and the section name is other media. That's the section name of the course. It also gives the course title as well, and all of this is filterable here on pending reviews, approved, rejected, resubmission, requested. So you can filter all of these down. You can even filter it by courses down here as well, or you could find the assignment by title. So from both of these areas here and here, we can manage the assignment. You'll also notice in this bottom area, assignments, it will tell you what's going on. So it's assignees 1, submitted 1, reviewed 0, pending a review 1, meaning I need to check this review. So let's click manage now. Again, you can do this from either of these sections, but let's just click this one. And what you're going to see is the actual results of that user. So it's going to give you what you wrote and what you sent to them. And down here it's going to give you all the information. So you can see I've got 1 in there. So I'm going to manage that, and we're going to go and check and see what the user has put. So submitted content, very easy, yes, amazing, nothing's perfect. A submitted file here, which if you click will open up there, and you can see that that's all in there as it should be. And we have on the right hand side the evaluation. So you can reject this completely, you can approve this, and you can resubmit. So be very careful with the rejecting, because if you do reject them, then they might not be able to move on through the course because you've made this course compulsory. So you can also see the status pending a review, and you can also tell them to resubmit by clicking here. This will show up in their dashboard and they will resubmit their assignment. So I'm going to click this off as approved, and I'm going to leave a little bit of feedback in here, and I'm going to click approve. Now you're also going to notice that you can send an email to them as well. So by clicking here, you're able to notify them that you've approved that assignment. In this particular case, I'm going to cancel it and come down here to the comment. So now you can see the comment that they put inside there. And this also allows you to put a comment back to them. It's done. And then we just click down here to post. And that's how you can easily monitor your assignments. Now if I come back to the assignments, you can see that now it's actually been status is approved. Let's go back to the user now and see what they see on their dashboard. So I'm going to refresh this page now, and you're going to see that they have actually been approved. So down here, status approved, it's reviewed, and the feedback was very nice. You'll also see down here that we have the comments that have come in. So if I click no, you can see there it's done. So when will this be approved? It's done. This is a private message between you and this particular user. So assignments give you a very powerful way to, one, control your students' flow through your courses, and also take submissions from them in both text and file upload format. Plus you can also supply them with supporting documentation. So this makes assignments very, very powerful, and this is an enterprise level assignment system built directly into the Zenler platform.